Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of Idle Heroes for your phone. You get unlimited resources as you can see, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. So let's get straight into the video, guys. This is super cool. Check out my Idle Heroes account. Alright, so let's go. How do we do this? Well, basically Idle Heroes is not a game where you can really modify it unless you have a modified version. So to download that, we're going to go onto this website, which is called zoomods.com. So once we're on the site, we're going to see all these modded apps, but I just want you to ignore that for a minute and type in Idle Heroes, and you should see the Idle Heroes mod. So press the download button, and now we're just going to wait for it to download here, as you can see. So let's just give it a second. It shouldn't take that long to download. So yeah, super cool, guys. We'll just wait for it to download the Idle Heroes mod onto our phone. Alright, so now that we're at the end, we're going to see this thing, and it's going to tell us that we have to download some missing apps or something like that. So as you can see, so you just download 2 of these apps, doesn't matter. You can see this one says reach level 9, download and run for 30 seconds. There's a lot of them, guys, and it's pretty easy to do. But I'm going to see you guys later, so make sure you guys download 2 apps and follow instructions. This one's pretty simple. It's just reach level 9. So that is how to get the modded version of the Idle Heroes for your device. One thing you could do to help yourself is go onto the settings and go to general, go to background refresh, and just make sure this is enabled. Once you do that, you should be good to go. So yeah, that's how to get the Idle Heroes modded version. This is fully working, guys, and it's pretty amazing. I've come a long way in my journey to find an Idle Heroes hack, and I think this one is pretty amazing. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, and peace out, bros. This is so wild.